And it's just such a relaxing, energising space to be in. Our philosophy with gardening is really all about edible beauty, so I want to have the best of both worlds. We wanted a working garden that was beautiful. We've tried to construct a garden that does both. So it's filled with over 70 varieties of fruits. We've made use of every single inch of space, including vertical space. Lots of heirloom seasonal vegetables. Then that's all interspersed with beautiful companion flowers. I've got 4 worm farms, compost system. Just got chooks. I've got the fish pond as well, which fits into the whole system and produces food and fertiliser for us. It's an explosion of life, really. So much from your garden about life and resilience and to not get sidetracked in life, because it's so easy to become obsessed with things that are superficial and don't really mean anything, whereas to see them smell the flowers and see the insects and pick little bits of bright food and enjoying it and just having fun outdoors, that's what it's all about.